Hi everyone, this is Andrew, and this is a bird I've got. His name was Alan when I picked him up from the charity store, and he's a quaker. Just give you a better view of him. Like that. And he's got the blue mutant gene, so I suppose you'd call him a turquoise or blue quaker, blue monk parrot. And I'm really happy with him, but he's a bit cage protective, but I'm sorting that out. I'm reading up on how to prevent that from happening more in the future by offering treats and doing things more slowly. So yes, I just thought I'd introduce you to him, and I'll just see if I can get a better view. There we go. Hey Alan. Hey Alan. Hey Alan. Anyway, he's got the blue mutant gene, the blue colour, and he's a beautiful bird.